to the May unboxing video, and this month is all about a very special place, a place that I visited multiple times, a place I want to bring you back to once again. This month we are looking at the place Ghana, familiar for its kente print, familiar for its gorgeous fans. This is a place we're looking at, and you know what, we've got a very special box. What do you think of our new box? This is our very special box this month. We're trying out a new print, a female black business owner who is an illustrator, and really happy to have worked with her on this box to create our own print just for this month, to make it a very special box. This month is all about Africa Day, and I want to make sure that you are getting a taste of Africa in this box, specifically focused on Ghana. So let's go inside. What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside. Okay. So much goodies for you, so much goodies, and this month is a special one because I'm actually giving you a project to do. So we'll come back to this. This is a special project. We're going to come back to that later, okay? But for now, this month's box, like I said, is all about Ghana. So of course, you are going to be getting some fabric from Ghana. These were made by Ashanti Kente weavers. So these are made in Ghana, hand woven, beautiful, beautiful colors and beautiful fabric that have been handmade, hand woven. And you're going to get some of that to add to your swatch library. So it's the Kente, all the information at the back, and add it into your swatch library so you can get inspired if you want to go on and purchase. And this fabric, just by the way, this fabric is actually in our shop. So if you wanted to actually purchase some to make a scarf or something else, head wrap with it, we've got a piece of this as a bigger piece in our shop. So do go and head over to the link below to be able to get this fabric. Okay, so that's that. Every month we're getting a pattern, and this month check out my sewing video, and you will look on our sewing channel, on our YouTube channel, and then you will be able to see exactly the whole project. We are making a romper suit this month, a really beautiful romper suit in wax print fabric. So do go check out my sewing video for more information on that. You're getting your thread every month that goes with this. You are getting the trims and notions that you need to work with inside of that box. Every month you get a wax print pencil, and I know some people have been adding these pencils, making collectible pieces. So look out on our shop. If you have missed out on some and you really want it, look out on our shop and see if there's some that you like and you would like to be able to purchase as a set. Reach out at waxandwraps.com, on Wax+Wraps on Instagram, or the website waxandwraps.com. And then here is the fabric, the beautiful fabric. This is the Insubra print. This beautiful print is a classic print called Insubra, but it's done in like an animal print way. I love this one. They're in the blues, the reds, the yellows. This classic print, as you can see, it's made in Ghana. You can see the hem always advises where the fabric was made. So the hem will always say, if you put it on the right side, you will see there, made in Ghana. And these are from suppliers in Ghana, in the wax print houses. So that's what we're going to be making. Now, I did tell you there was a little special something. There's a little special something that you're going to have. I always like to give you a gift each month. So let's look at the gift. This is your gift this month. And inside here, inside this little parcel, is another piece of Ghana that I would love you to be able to tap into. You see this video that is going right now is an example of when I went to Ghana. I met with the bead makers in a town called Koforidua, and we got to meet with those who made what are called these glass beads. They're used from glass bottles. Watch the glass bottles that they use, and they break them down and they make them into this. They paint these by hand. So all of these have been made. You're going to get some of these inside this packet here. So you can see you're going to get loads of these. Your print may differ. You may have a different design, but you're going to love it. And what we're going to do is put them onto this thread that's in there. You're going to add your piece from scratch. Your own little craft project. that on, tie that on, and then you're going to have between 5 and 6 all along. You'll have enough thread to do all of this. So this is a vegan leather, so you know that this is not this eco-friendly vegan leather. So it's a fake leather. It feels like a nubuck. It's really, really soft against the skin. And then you'll be able to make your bracelet for yourself or a gift for a family member. So you'll be able to tie that up in the end and then make yourself a beautiful gift. Coming all the way from Ghana, from bead makers out in Ghana. Beautiful. So that's it from this month's box. Do make sure to subscribe to our channel, but most importantly, subscribe to your box, and then you will get this coming to your door between the 15th and the 30th of each month. Now go ahead, have fun with print, and see all details in the links below this video.